Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Mirror Framing Kit is probably one of the most versatile and transformative additions you can make to your home decor, allowing you to elevate the look of any plain mirror into a stunning focal point that perfectly complements your personal style and existing interior design. Whether you're aiming for a modern minimalist aesthetic, a vintage charm, or a bold statement piece, a quality mirror framing kit provides the tools and materials necessary to achieve a professional and customized finish without the need for extensive DIY experience or expensive custom framing services. This kit empowers you to unlock the full potential of your mirrors, turning them from simple reflective surfaces into captivating works of art that enhance the ambience and perceived spaciousness of any room. Number 5. Teemall Black Wood Grain Removable Wallpaper Border. Introducing the Teemall Black Wood Grain Wallpaper Border, a stylish and practical way to enhance your home decor. This durable and easy-to-install option is perfect for any room. Measuring 4 inches by 390 inches, this waterproof wallpaper border is designed for longevity. Its removable feature makes redecorating a breeze. Simply peel and stick. Installation is incredibly simple. Just peel off the backing paper and apply it to any dry, flat surface. The grid on the backing paper even helps with precise cutting. This versatile border is ideal for various spaces, including your living room, bedroom, study, dining area, or even as a TV background accent. To ensure a seamless look, we recommend purchasing enough rolls at one time. This guarantees they are from the same batch, preventing any unwanted color variations. What we like? This is a great option for adding a decorative touch to any room. It's waterproof and easy to install, making it perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. If you're looking to update your space with a stylish and practical border, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit included all the necessary hardware for a secure and professional-looking installation. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for someone with no prior framing experience. The finished frame looked fantastic and really elevated the appearance of the mirror. Number 4. ZOKON 13 feet 4M LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. Introducing the ZOKON 13 feet 4M LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. This flexible and adjustable strip light is designed to enhance your space with customizable illumination. This kit comes in a convenient 13 feet 4M length, including a light strip, a 12V working voltage component, and a dimmer controller for easy operation. Beyond your bedroom vanity, these bendable lights are perfect for various locations. Easily install them in your kitchen, display areas, or even outdoor courtyards. Adjust the brightness from 1% to 100% with the included dimmer. Installation is a breeze with the high-quality adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick for a clean, professional look. Enjoy peace of mind with a long lifespan of over 50,000 hours. We stand by our product with excellent customer service, ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like? Enhance your vanity area with customizable lighting. This flexible LED strip offers adjustable brightness and is simple to install. If you desire a professional makeup lighting setup or want to add ambience to your dressing area, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes all necessary hardware for a secure and professional finish. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the installation process straightforward. The finished frame looks exactly like a professionally done job, enhancing the mirror's appearance significantly. Number 3. 22 Sets Mirror Holder Clips Kit. This kit provides 22 frame fixing clips along with screws, offering ample supply for your daily requirements. Please ensure your mirror size is compatible before ordering. Crafted from high-quality, durable PC plastic and alloy screws, these clips are built to last. They are lightweight, safe, and resistant to corrosion for long-term use. Easily hang mirrors, photo frames, and glass on your walls without worry. Their transparent design ensures they blend seamlessly, maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your decor. Installation is straightforward. Simply drill holes, position the mirror and clips, and tighten the screws. They provide a secure and firm support for your items. These clear acrylic clips are perfect for various applications, including mirrors, picture frames, and glass. Using multiple sets can enhance fixing stability. The transparent design is intentionally subtle, making them hard to notice. You can confidently use them without compromising the visual beauty of your framed items. What we like? Securely hang mirrors and frames with these discreet clips. Made from durable plastic, they offer a clean, invisible look. If you need a reliable and aesthetically pleasing solution for mounting mirrors or artwork without visible hardware, this kit is ideal. What people say. Easy to assemble and looks great. The kit included all the necessary hardware for a quick and straightforward installation. High-quality materials that feel durable and well-made. Number 2. Heavy-duty stainless steel picture hanging wire kit. This kit is perfect for a variety of hanging needs. It's ideal for everything from heavy mirrors and picture frames to lanterns, signs, and even flower pots. Setting it up is a breeze. The crimp tubes are pre-installed, so you can adjust the length easily without any tools. Just slide and secure. With a generous 2-meter length, you can customize the wire to fit your exact requirements. Simply adjust the column to get the perfect hang. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel wire rope and a nickel-plated iron hook, it's built to last. The surface is designed to resist rust and corrosion. Don't let its sleek design fool you. This heavy-duty wire rope, made of 49 thin steel wires, can reliably support up to 20 kilograms, 44 pounds. What we like? This heavy-duty hanging wire provides a secure and adjustable solution for various items. With a strong load capacity and easy length adjustment, it's perfect for hanging mirrors, lamps, or even flower pots. If you need a versatile and robust hanging solution, this stainless steel wire is a top pick. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary hardware for a secure and professional-looking installation. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the framing process straightforward even for beginners. The finished frame looks fantastic and has significantly enhanced the appearance of my mirror. Number 1. Gaahing Paintable Wall Trim. Transform your living space with our innovative wall trim. Its self-adhesive design makes decorating your home a breeze, adhering smoothly to any surface without leaving residue. No special tools or skills are required for installation. Anyone can achieve a professional, elegant look for their home quickly and easily. Crafted from high-quality PVC, this trim is built to last. It resists fading, deformation, moisture, and corrosion, ensuring a beautiful finish for years to come. Perfect for any room, including bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchens. It's ideal for borders, cabinet edges, mirror frames, and baseboards, adding a touch of elegance everywhere. Shop with confidence thanks to our 1-year warranty and 1-month return policy. Enjoy a risk-free purchase and elevate your home decor. What we like? Add a touch of elegance to your home with this versatile trim. It's paintable, easy to install with its self-adhesive backing, and resistant to moisture. If you're looking for a quick and stylish way to frame mirrors, cabinets, or walls, this trim offers a durable and customizable solution. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary hardware for a secure and professional-looking installation. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for someone with no prior framing experience. The finished product looks fantastic and has significantly enhanced the appearance of my room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.